Up to my Bree gang? What is up to my Bree squad? It is your girl Bree and I'm back with another freaking video. As you can see from that title, y'all know what I'm doing. I'm doing a round 2 of this try not to burp challenge, okay? But before I even get started, let y'all know what soda I got. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell notification so you never miss an upload from me, you guys. And if you want to see this burp challenge, see how far I can go this time, stay tuned. Alright, you guys, so as I said, I'm doing part 2, round 2 of the Try Not to Burp Challenge. As you know, I recently, maybe a week or 2 ago, did the A&W cream soda one, and I did 2 liter, and it did not go as planned, you guys. I got a little far. I got halfway to where I wanted to get. I wanted to get to like half, I think, and I got not even close to that. So I think I got it down packed on how to do this. I'm gonna try until I can finish one and not burp, okay? So we're gonna do this again. Now today I got Pepsi, okay? And this time, as you can see, I didn't get a 2 liter. I got the 1.25 liter. So y'all see that? Yeah, so Pepsi. Now look, y'all, we're gonna try to get this in today. I didn't eat, okay? So it's gonna probably be a little bit more difficult for me because since I didn't eat, I'll probably wanna burp. Like right now, I feel gassy. So look, I'm gonna go ahead and jump in and we're gonna get this thing popping. Now last time I said I figured out how to do it without burping. So that's what we're gonna do. Now I think the technique is every time you feel a burp coming, you drink. So that's the method I'm going to try, okay? Okay, y'all. Y'all ready? I'm ready. Let's go. I'm getting so cool. I gotta get well below this, y'all. Ooh. Ooh. It hurts. Oh, it hurts. Oh, yeah. Woo. Hold on. That Pepsi too strong. Hold on. Suppress burp. Suppress. I might just have to go ahead and burp because this thing hurt. I don't know if I got a fart to burp. Excuse me. Ooh. Ooh, hold on. Ooh. Excuse me. Ooh, okay. Excuse me. Ooh. Ooh, excuse me, y'all. Ooh, okay. Y'all, that time, I didn't expect for it to hurt like that. Nobody didn't tell me that it can hurt when you hold it in burps, okay? So you can see, I made it to right here. That's further than what I made on the last bottle, y'all. Might be about the same, but I feel like I drank more this time. So I made it to here. Look, I already told y'all, I ain't gonna stop until I finish one without burping. But maybe Pepsi too strong. Maybe I need to try something else a little bit lighter, like some Fanta or something. Because this thing right here, it didn't hurt like that when I did the A&W cream soda, y'all. This Pepsi tried to kill me. Y'all, that thing it's like some gas got caught here, y'all. I feel like I was having a little heart attack. I can't be playing around with this Pepsi. Pepsi will not be another choice of mine, okay? So you guys, look, like this video. Comment down below, y'all. Let me know if you think this is about the same that I had from last time or if I drunk more this time. I can't really tell. I cannot really tell. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification button, and I will see y'all in my next freaking video. Bye.